Hi guys, welcome to Genius Making Machine. Today's topic is fractions, and we are going to learn about division, multiplications, and divisions. So let's get ready for fraction. So fasten your seat belt, and we are going to do fractions now. So suppose we have here 2 over 3. Okay, so everybody knows that this is called numerator and this is called denominator, right? So top one is numerator and the second one is denominator. Now the next one is, if there are cases like this, if it is 2 over 3 and 5 over 3, right? So if you see here, what you notice? You notice that denominators are same. So when denominators are same, you just draw a line and write down the same denominator here, and you add the top numbers, that is numerator, and there's a plus sign, then you put plus sign and you add them. Nice and easy. 7 over 3. So what did I say? I said if denominators are same. So let's take another example. 4 over 3 and it is 7 over 3, right? So if you see, denominators are same here, 3 and 3. So what you need to do, just draw a line, write down the same denominator here, and you add the top numbers, which are numerators. 4 plus 7. Why we are putting plus 7? Because there is a plus here. 4 plus 7, so 11 over 3. Now the question comes, it is happening with plus sign. So what happens if there is a minus sign? Yeah, if there is a minus sign like 5 over 7 and here is 2 over 7, so same thing will happen. So what you need to do, see, denominators are same. Okay, so you just draw a line, write down the same denominator, that is 7, and between 5 and 2, which sign is here? Minus sign. So let's write down minus sign. 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So that is 3 over 7. Okay. So let's see one more example. If it is 2 over 9 and 1 over 9. So if you see, again we have same denominator. So that is 9 here and 9 here. So what we need to do? Just draw a line, write down the same denominator, and numerator has minus sign in between, that is 2 and 1. So write down 2 and minus 1. So 2 take away 1 is 1. So 1 over 9. Nice and easy. So this is the way, when denominators are same, then we can do it this way. Now I'm going to introduce you new technique to solve when denominators are different. Yeah, let's see. So we are seeing here what happens when denominators are different here. So when denominators are different, so we are going to do, let's take the example here, like it is 2 over 5 and 3 over 4. Okay, so 2 over 5 and 3 over 4. If you see here, denominators are different. Here is 5 and here is 4. Denominators are different. So what you need to do, with my technique, see, here it is 5 and here is 4. You do just cross multiplication. Yeah, cross multiplication. What is cross multiplication? Multiply 4 here. So 4 times 2 is 8. Then multiply 5 here with 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. Which sign is in between? There's a plus. You can put plus. And then you multiply these two numbers. 5 times 4 is 20. So if you add, so 15 plus 8 becomes 23 over 20, right? If you see here, here is a top heavy means 23 is bigger than 20, so we can change it into mixed fraction. So how many 20 goes in 23? So answer will be 1, and what is left? So 23 take away 20, that is 3. So let's write down 3 here and 20. Yeah, so 1 3 over 20. Now let's see another example. So another example is, let's take 3 by 5 and 2 over 7. So 3 over 5 and 2 over 7. So if you see, denominators are different here. Yeah, here is 5 and here is 7. So what we are going to do, just cross multiply. 7 times 3 is 21. Then 5 times 2 is 10, and then bottom three numbers. So you are multiplying three times. Make sure that you are multiplying in this number first here, in this number first. So 7 times 3 is 21, 5 times 2 is 10, and let's draw a line here. 5 times 7 is 35. Okay, so 21 plus 10 is 31 over 35, right? So here, if you see top number, that is numerator is less than denominator, so you can leave your answer in fraction. Yeah, that is 31 over 35. Now question comes in the mind, what happens if denominators are different and there is a minus sign? So what we are going to do? So let's take another example from here, 2 by 5, and let's take minus 1 over 4 here. So what we are going to do? Nothing different. Multiply here with this number first. So 4 times 2 is 8. Then multiply this number with 1. So 5 times 1 is 5. Which sign is in between? Minus. So if you see, previously there was plus sign, so we put plus sign. It was plus sign, so we put plus sign. Now here is minus sign, so we are going to put minus sign. Okay, nice and easy. So 8 take away 5, and then bottom number 5 times 4 is 20. So 8 take away 5 is 3, that is 3 over 20. Again, you cannot change it into mixed fraction because top is not heavy, it is less than denominator, so it is 3 over 20. Let's see another example. Okay, so let's take 3 over 5 and minus 2 over 7. So you need to multiply in this number first, that is the first one. So 7 times 3 is 21. Okay, and then 5 times 2 is, that is 10, and then 5 times 7 is 35. Yeah, so 3 times multiply. So you multiply in this direction first, and in this direction, and the bottom two directions. Yeah, so 21 take away 10 is, that is 11 over 35. Yeah, so if you see here what we have done, so there was minus sign, so we put minus sign. Okay, nice and easy. So I'm going to give you some practice questions, so you need to solve. Please pause the video and have a go. So these are the practice questions you need to try. Please pause the video and have a go. Welcome back if you have tried. Yeah, so let's check your answer with my answers. So if you see here, denominator are same, so same denominator, you just draw the line, write down 4, and then 4 times 3 is 12, and 4 times 1 is 4, that is 12 plus 4, 16 over 4. Yeah, we can reduce it, simplify it. So half of 16 is 8 and half of 4 is 2. Again, we can simplify. Half of 8 is 4 and half of 2 is 1. So answer is 4. Now let's see another question. Here it is 3 by 4. So cross multiply. 4 times 3 is 12 and 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 4 is 20. So it will be 17 over 20. So because top is less than 20, so we can leave our answer here. Now here 7 times 3 is 21. You need to notice here is a minus sign, then put minus sign. Then 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 7 is 14. So 21 take away 2, that is 19 over 14. So if you want, here is top heavy, so you can change it into mixed fraction. 19 take away 14 is 5. So see, this denominator remains same, and how much you are adding? You are adding 5, and how many times? 1. So 14 times 1 is 14 plus 5, 19, 19 over 14. Okay, so let's see this one. 8 times 2 is 16, 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 times 8 is 32. So 16 take away 4 is 12, 12 over 32. So 12 over 32, if you do half of 12, so half of 12 is 6, and half of 32 is 16, right? Again, half of 6 is 3 and half of 16 is 8, so you can cancel it. So nice and easy, so you can get all these answers. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how to divide and multiply. So let's see example here. Here it is 3 over 2, and here it is division sign, then 5 over 7. So what you need to do, write down first fraction as it is, that is 3 over 2, and change this is your first step. Yeah, this is your first step. Second, this is your first step, right? Now second step is, this is second step, you change division sign with multiplication sign, and your third step is you write down reciprocal. Yeah, reciprocal. So 5 over 7 is 7 over 5. Okay, so you don't know what the reciprocal is. Reciprocal is very easy. If person is standing like this, yeah, you make him stand like this. Okay, so let's take example. If it is 2 over 7, so its reciprocal will be 7 over 2. Yes, what is your question? Okay, yes, question is if it is 5, number 5. Okay, number 5. So 5 has nobody in the denominator, so let's assume 1. Then its reciprocal will be 1 over 5. Okay, any other question? Yes. Okay, if it is negative number, okay, minus 2, there is nothing there, so let's suppose here 1, and its reciprocal will be 1 over 2. So minus sign here. You can put this minus sign with 1, with minus sign 2, or minus sign in between. It doesn't matter. Yeah. So let's see a couple of more questions, like if it is 2 over 5 and it is 3 over 4. So what you need to do, write down first fraction as it is. Okay, change this division sign with multiplication sign, and reciprocal of 3 over 4. So reciprocal of 3 over 4 will be 4 over 3. Once you have done that, yeah, so what you need to do, multiply top number and bottom number. Yeah, so it will be 2 times 4 is 8 and 5 times 3 is 15. So here what we have done, it is 3 over 2 first fraction, division sign with multiplication sign, and 5 over 7 you can write down 7 over 5. So what you need to do, multiply top number and bottom number. So top number 3 times 7 is 21 and 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, you, if you want, you can change it into mixed fraction. So 21 20 if you count 10 times table, 20 comes in 2 times, 1 is extra, and then denominator remains the same, so that is 1 over 10. So if you simplify, 10 times 2 is 20 and 121 over 10. So here is 8 over 15. So here top is less than 15, so you can leave your answer. Nice and easy. Yeah. So let's see question here, practice questions for you. It is 3 over 4 and there's a division sign, and let's write down here 5 over 3. Okay, so this practice question you need to try, and 2 over 5, and here it is 3 over 7. Please pause the video and have a go, and let's see what is your answer, and then you can check your answer with my answer. Okay, please pause the video. Welcome back. If you have tried, so just see here, first fractions remain same, 3 by 4 as 3 by 4. Yeah, so change this division sign with multiplication sign. So this is what we have done. Now next one is 5 over 3. So it's a reciprocal 5 over 3, that is 3 over 5. Then what you need to do, just multiply top number and bottom number. So 3 times 3 is 9 and 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, similarly here, if you see 2 over 5, so write down the first fraction as it is, 2 over 5, change this division sign with multiplication sign, and it is 3 over 7, so you write down 7 over 3, and let's do multiplication. Yeah, so top number you can multiply, and bottom number you can multiply. So 2 times 7 is 14 and 5 times 3 is 15. So remember here top is less than 15, so no need to change into mixed fraction. Top is less than 20, so no need to change the mixed fractions here. So your first answer is 9 over 20 and second answer is 14 over 15, right? Now I'm going to teach you how to multiply fractions. So let's see, if there is a 3 over 4 and here it is 5 over 7, and this is question number 1, and question number 2, if it is 3 over 2 and 5 over 3, these are really very easy. So what you need to do, just multiply top number and bottom number. So 3 times 5 is 15 and 4 times 7 is 28. Similarly here, 3 times 5 is 15 and 2 times 3 is 6. Here is top heavy, so you can change it. So write down the bottom number as 6. if you start counting 6 time table, 6 times 2 is 12, then 6 times 3 is 18. So 18 is more. So we are taking 2 times here. 6 times 2 is 12 and 12 plus 3 is 15. So 2, 3 over 6. Yeah. If you want, you can write down 2, 1 over 2. Why 1 over 2? Because you can always cancel it. 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 2 is 6. So 2, 1 over 2. Still this answer is right, this answer is right, and this answer is right here. Now question for you. So you need to try 4 by 5 times 2 by 3, and the next question is 3 over 2 and 7 over 4. Please pause the video and have a go. Welcome back. If you have tried, so what you need to do, just multiply top numbers. 4 times 2 is 8 and 5 times 3 is 15. So you cannot simplify because 8 and 15 doesn't come in any timetable. Similarly, you can multiply this. 3 times 7 is 21 and 2 times 4 is 8. Again, you can simplify because 8 timetable 21 doesn't come, but we can change it into mixed fraction. So 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 3 is 24. Yeah. So 8 times 3 is 24. So it is more. We are not taking, we are taking 2 times. 8 times 2 is 16 and 16 add 5, that is 21. So 2, 5 over 8. Nice and easy. Yeah. So this is your answer and this is your answer. So I hope you have liked the video. Thanks for watching and thanks for Genius Making Machine, GCSE and A-level maths. Please leave your comments and subscribe my channel, and it is going to help me. Your feedback is very important for us. Thank you very much. Goodbye.